Hey, what's up guys? I am replacing my cabin filter in my 2015 Subaru WRX. I recently just hit 12,000 miles. I did the oil change, rotated my tires, and one of the things I still need to do is replace the cabin filter. I did a search on YouTube and did not find any videos, so I thought I would make one. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open your glove box. And you'll need to locate this, I don't even know what it's called, a piston or whatever, that kind of allows the glove box to open slowly. And what you need to do is use your long nose pliers, pinch it right here, and push it out. That easy. Next step is you're going to want to pinch your glove box on one side, other side, and then it'll just come down from there, and then it basically comes off after that. There's these hooks that mount right there. And just put that to the side, and you'll see the cabin air filter right here. There's these tabs that you're just gonna pinch and pull out. As you can see, this thing has seen better days, and it's actually pretty amazing how dirty it has gotten. The car has 12,000 miles and I've had it for a year and 3 months, so you definitely do not want to forget to replace that. Got this replacement off Amazon. I seen Subaru filters were about $30 and I only paid 10 bucks for this shipped. And it looks identical. It has all the right tabs. Even has this foam insulator around there. And yeah, as you can see, one is clean and one is dirty. So the install, if you look at your Subaru one, it actually tells you the up is this way, and you have push instructions there. The generic one does not. So, but you can pretty much determine which way is up just by comparing the two. So we're gonna go in here, slide that in, push it in, get a little click in there, and that's pretty much it. Putting this back in, you're going to want to line up those grooves. And then pinch it again, get it back in place there, pop that sucker in, done. Less than 5 minutes, if that. And that's how you replace a cabin air filter in a 2015 WRX.